Okay, so hi, this is future me. This dumbass right here entirely didn't record any audio throughout this whole video. Like there's maybe 4 minutes out of this whole video that got audio. So that makes me here because I don't really feel like throwing a video out. So I'm gonna do a voiceover through it the whole video. So that's not going to be what I wanted to do, but I mean, whatever. So anyways, this video is just going to be me doing a voiceover explaining everything, and then we'll go through with the rest of it. So I hope you guys at least enjoy it for what it is, and let's get into the video. Got the car here to do a car reveal. I know I said it in the last video I was going to do it, so this time I'm actually going to. 1 second, I got a bit of something to show you. So I picked up this little bit of carbon here. It's pretty sweet. It came off a Audi S4. We're gonna make it fit on an Audi S5. It was also free, so like I don't really have to really worry about it. I forgot to mention that I'm sorry if this video looks a little darker than normal. I didn't really pick the best lighting spot in the garage for some reason, but I found this underground parking garage and decided to come down here and do it because like I live in an apartment building, so I don't really want to go do that there. So we're doing this here. I mean, I'm not really bothering anyone, so we'll go ahead and put this on. Hopefully we can get this done and nobody really bothers me and tells me to get out halfway through or anything, but this is the car. I got a 2009 Audi S5 V8. It's pretty sweet. I actually really like the car. Front windows tinted, V8 badge there. Beautiful car. I love the front end, the big grille. The previous owner had the mirrors painted. I would like the mirrors to go back to aluminum, but that's no big deal, not very hard to do. I need to paint the crash bar too. That's something I'm gonna do in a future video. I'm gonna have to repaint it black because the grille that's in the front of this car, the honeycomb grille, looks sweet, but when you have that crash bar in the back of it, like it doesn't make it look so clean when you don't have a blacked out crash bar, so I need to do that. Here we are from the back, but you can't really see much in the back. Beautiful night out. Oh wait, shit, that's pretty sweet. Hold on. That would look pretty cool there, but you can't really see them lights with the car here. It's kind of hard to see, but looks all right. It looks very mean from the front. I love the aggressive look of these cars. I do want to get a carbon fiber front lip for it. Itself looks aggressive. The interior looks really nice. I'll go show you the interior here now. Don't mind that projector light because the ones I have in the car are supposed to shine S5 on it on the ground. This one's broken, so I'll show you what the lights look like. Oh wait, shit! I had to turn the lights on. That probably would help. Let me go do that. Let's try that again. Yeah, and this is the interior. It has a nice, that's the carbon fiber duck lip I'm putting on, and S5 seats. Looks really sweet. Don't mind the mess in there. It's just because everything I have to put on the duck lip. So it's a little messy in there right now, but I love the yellow fog lights and just the styling of these headlights. The way the LED strips kind of look. The lighting in general just makes this car look really aggressive too. But I mean, the car looks overall pretty good. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play I really like how them fog lights turn on when you press the unlock button. I like the headlights, but I don't like the orange daytime running lights. And I don't really feel like paying $1,500 for new headlights. So I might take them apart and do something myself for it. Anyways, let's get in and go move this so we can put this duck lip on. All right, so let's go out and see how that looks here. This is the back end of the car. I got to do some taillights in the next video. I don't know how I really feel about the taillights. I kind of wish they were the 8.5 instead of the 8. These ones are the incandescent lights, so that's why they have bulbs in them. I like the LEDs more. I'd rather have as I said, I'd rather have the 8.5s over the 8 taillights. They look just overall cleaner. I might do the conversion for that. I don't know. That's a bit of work. So the rims are pretty nice, but whoever owned the car before me curb rashed the fuck out of them. So I'm gonna try to fix them up. I'm gonna paint them bronze. I really like the black bronze combination, so that's kind of a thing I like. That'll probably be next video's little project, is doing them rims. Or, well, not really next video, but one of my future videos. I really do like them. They're just curb rashed on a couple of them, so I'll get that all fixed up. I like the ass end of this car too. It looks very clean. It's not like overly bubbly or nothing. It's very sleek looking. So this is the angle I'm going to work with installing this duck lip. Not bad lighting here. I'm going to put the duck lip. So let me go grab that real quick and show you what it would look like. Here's the duck lip. That's where it like kind of sit to. It is off of S4, so it's not going to sit like perfect. I do have to kind of make sure it fits, but it don't look bad either. So you can see where we took it off. Oh shit. You can see where we took it off and it started splitting a little bit. So that little spot there is just super glue I had there. I might just like wet sand it later on and get that out of it, but yeah, I had to glue it back together in order for it to kind of not break in half on me. That's roughly where it would kind of sit here like this. So I'm gonna get ready to clean this up and install this. So give me a couple of minutes here and we'll get right into that. Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna get ready to clean this up. So I'm just gonna use a microfiber and some alcohol. Oh, that's a lot. And we'll just clean up the application area. I don't think there's really gonna be much to this. It's just a bit of double-sided 3M tape, and you stick it on and hold it in place and pray that it stays. So yeah, there's not really much to it, I don't think. This had 3M tape on the bottom of it. I don't know if you can see any residue. Yeah, a little bit of residue still left on it. I spent like an hour peeling that shit off last night, but it's all cleaned up now, good to go. And I'll get the tape ready. I need to kind of figure this out where I'm gonna put it. I don't know how far. I know it needs to come out a nice ways, but I don't know how far I need to stick it yet. So I'm gonna cut to me sticking the tape on.
I'll be in my zone. Point to the sky, ET, go home. Mama said, don't love no hoe. Thank the hoe for the offer. Wait, point after point. Melody, you're like a soccer. Bitch still calling my phone when I blocked her. Call up her friend's friend. I told her I want it again. She's a Barbie, but I'm not Ken. Send a request, I leave it on pending. Change my name, Pinocchio. The way my dick be lying. Lay it on her waist. Tony Hawk, how she ride it. Show that love for the game. Show that love for my fam, that's great. Gotta get rich real quick. Need to get paid. Need to put food on my plate. When you move fast, I pace. Want new places. Move to the States. Ice on my wrist. Run up the digits. Pay my way to the top is fake. Yeah. Fuck the whole damn team. Yeah, fuck the girls who lost her. Tryna talk that mouth to me. I told her I'm a boss. If you fuck me over once, baby, it gon' cost ya. One best friend. Ain't no sister. It gon' haunt ya.
There we go. Let's get another angle of this and see what she looks like. That's pretty fucking sick.
Cause they wanna feel me, I'm making these plays. Like Golden and Philly, I get the bitch wet, I'm slapping silly. Spending my money, go right to the ceiling. Shot for shot, his medical billing. Line me up, I play with a feelings. Have my face up and open the buildings. I got a new car, new Lamborghini. Ay, get 3 wishes, bitch, I'm a genie. Ay, we out to eat, Alvin Greenie. Buy a few rounds, martini. Shop Panini, catch me lacking, same Boudini. I'm on a 9, you can afford. Get so big, I'm a winning award. Fucking afford, she getting ignored.
So that's gonna be the video. I really just wanted to get the video done because I wanted to put this on, and I said I was going to show you the car. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little installation of this duct clip. I have a diffuser that I need to install, and I have a couple other little knickknacks I'm going to install. I need to do some maintenance on it as well. I got to put some taillight bulbs in it. So we're going to do a little bit of maintenance. I'm probably going to record that as well. So this was just the first little step, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.